Thank you for watching the instructional video for discoveryed.com. We are going to begin by being on the home screen for google.com. Click on the search engine bar and we're going to type in Discovery Ed. We'll see what comes up. We'll go ahead and click on the first link for Discovery Education, digital textbooks and educational resources. This is a great tool for teachers who are looking for information about a certain topic. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and sign out real quick to show you how to sign in. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. You see they have different links of what they offer, who they are, free resources for teachers, parents, and students. So this is geared towards anybody really. So go ahead and click on the sign in button and you're going to sign into your account. Go ahead and sign in with my school account. Might take a second. Okay, so now I am in. On the left side, you see where it says my DE, Streaming Plus, my content, Classroom Manager, Assignment Manager, Builder Tools, Professional Learning, and the network. So we can click on each one to see kind of what they all have to offer. Alright, so this kind of tells you a little bit about myself. It has my name. I am a teacher. My home school is considered Lincoln Elementary, even though I teach at 5 different elementary schools. And it just has the several on this day events, activities, things that they think I might be interested in wanting to see or show. My content. Okay, there's nothing that I have provided. Classroom Manager. My classes and my students. Keep going down. Assignment Manager. So I could create assignments. Builder Tools. So Assignment Builder, Board Builder, Writing Prompt Builder, Assignment Builder. So the assessment we can click on real quick. You can click on Create an Assessment. So you put the title, instructions, save and continue. Professional learning, which we all in education do quite frequently, I have learned. So there's a lot of things. A real hot topic, as the title states, social and emotional learning for our students in the classroom. Learn and lead, strategies and resources, events, experiences, and then connecting with Discovery Education. Okay, so go back to the beginning. Now you can browse by the topic, composition, grammar, literature, or reading, mathematics, science, social studies, a few more. I'm in the visual and performing arts with visual arts, so I'll go ahead and click on that. It gives you a grade level, so if it's K through 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 12, so whatever grade that you're working with will have an age appropriate videos or lessons. for that group. So we can do skills and techniques, different videos pulled that are educational, so our reading rainbow, talking about my shadow, art with Mati and Dada about Vincent Van Gogh, scroll down, making cartoons with Sid the Science Kid, and so on and so forth. So we can look for videos, boards, see nothing on there, images, audio, plenty of audio, interactives, lesson materials, which is kind of really nice. So those are a few options. Up here we have a quick list. So these are a few videos that I was very interested in that I was able to click, kind of like a playlist that I can come to whenever I need. One of my lessons um, involves making airplanes based off of a Reading Rainbow video called Bored Nothing to Do, which involves airplanes, which is great to click on the go before class begins to show the class. If you need help, your profile, your search engine. So it's a pretty self-explanatory website. It is free to use. You just have to log in. You can go through this through any web browser. And the main goal to use this is just as a resource to better educate yourselves or your students. And for this, for discoveryeducation.com, the two standards from the ISTE, T for teachers, um, I would recommend this go through as 2.B, develop technology enriched learning environments that enable all students to pursue their individual curiosities and become active participants in setting their own educational goals, managing their own learning, and assessing their own progress. And also with 2.A, design or adapt relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to promote student learning and creativity. So it can be for both students and teachers. Also, parents gave that option as well. So that is it for my instructional video about using Discovery Ed. There is a lot of content that is good and helpful to use. So thank you for watching.